Good morning. We're gonna do really quick 15-minute makeup together. So I'm going to use the foundation stick from Westman Atelier. So just use the color that match you. I will link the link down below. I have this only use. Gonna do touch of concealing just with my finger, just my under eye, so I look more awake. I always have a bit of shadow here. Gonna bring it out a little bit. Just simple one. It's still on the mood crayon here, so I haven't used the orange one. So we're gonna use orange called Likeable Mood. So I will link it down below. So I haven't put any primer on, so I'm gonna go ahead and draw my eyeliner on, brand new. So it's really opaque. I'm gonna go on top of my eye tattoo here. I hope you can see them. I'm gonna follow in my eye and it's gonna bring it up. The usual. Oh, I'm really into this. I think it's a new look for me. But I'm gonna have to try a different look. But I just like to try a different color. It's more neon pink than what I thought it's gonna. Not neon pink, neon orange. Then I thought it's quite light on my skin tone, but it's nice. It's gonna bring it out to here. It's very opaque. You see how you cannot see my eyeliner tattoo anymore. It's like amazing. To use her brush. Oh, I can't find any. Here we go, Hallberg brush. Just gonna have a look, a closer look, just a quick detail, just make sure light is good. Cool. So repeat the other side, okay? Going back to her. Let's see, just a quick one. Just on top of that line. Because the orange looks quite light on me. To bring it up a little bit. Can't really see the red on this side. Oops, too high. Got no eye primer on, by the way. we're going to just fill that in a little bit. Cool. Eyelash, curl, and mascara and fakey. Pink orange one, right, peach cream brush. I really like the peachy smell. I'll maybe bring a little bit of peach into bottom eye. Okay. Eyelashes. Okay. Top. A bit of liquid lipstick, orange one. Done. Setting spray. If you like this look, give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will link all the product I use down below and ring the bell if you need more. Lots more coming. I'm just not very good at editing videos, so whoa, it's gonna have to wait a little bit longer. So I see you guys next time.